Why do kids get constipated? Constipation is pretty common and different things can cause it. In this evening's edition of the Health Report, Shamela Mitchell tells us more about constipation and how it can be prevented.
Health report. Constipation usually is due to a diet that doesn't include enough water and fiber, which help the bowels move properly. Children who eat lots of processed foods such as cheese, white bread and meats may become constipated often. It's a condition that is quite common in Jamaica. Consultant pediatric surgeon Dr. Noel McLennan says 20% of the children he sees are constipated.
It is usually seen when there is fewer than 2 episodes of stool passage in a given week, and it's usually associated with painful passage of stool, and the stool is usually hard.
Medication can also worsen the condition. According to Dr. McLennan, these medications are usually prescribed to children who have seizures and certain psychiatric problems.
Some of those medications include Dilantin. So that is a very common one that is used, and all the other drugs that fall in that category. The fact of the matter is there are many children who cannot do without this medication. So the goal is not to stop the medication. The aim is to give counter medication to help to reduce the level of constipation that exists with it, as well as to give more fluids to help it to pass along.
Dr. McLennan says the aim is to eat more fruits and vegetables.
For example, ripe banana is non-constipating. It helps the stool to move along, whilst the green banana, on the other hand, is more constipating. White flour should not be taken in large amounts. Certain snacks which are heavy in starch should not be taken in large amounts. So we recommend wheat material, stuff that have a high amount of fiber.
Also drink lots of water, and it's also recommended that parents or guardians use olive oil and other healthy oils when cooking. Also, parents or guardians should encourage their children to exercise. With your health report, I'm Shamela Mitchell wishing you good health. Health report.